Here's every item we're going to be going over today. First of all, there's 2 different types of slime balls, 2 different types of slime dirts, 2 different types of slime crystals, and 2 different types of slime saplings. First of all, important to note, if you have a blue slime sapling in a bonsai pot and you harvest it, you'll actually find that you'll get both types of slime balls. First of all, you'll get the Tinker's Construct slime ball from the bonsai itself. And then if you actually craft the congealed slime block, you'll get the other type of slime ball. So you can see you've got the Minecraft slime ball and you've got the Tinker's Construct. They are used for different recipes. So if we go over here, you can actually see if you use the regular slime balls and you mix it with dirt and sand, pop it in the furnace, you'll get the green slime crystal. However, if you want the blue slime crystal, you need to use the Tinker's Construct slime balls with, again, dirt and sand. Pop it in the furnace and then you'll get the blue slime crystal. Now, if you need to get the blue slime sapling, you're going to need to get yourself a cauldron, fill it with milk, and just right click the blue slime sapling. However, if you need the green slimy dirt, all you need to do is put milk in the cauldron, get your cactus, right click, and there you go. Finally, if you need the blue slimy dirt, you just do dirt, milk, and some sort of blue dye. It can be blue water in a little glass if you want, and you'll get the blue slimy dirt. You need both of these slimies to use for the bonsai. As you can see, I have got the green slime dirt and the blue slime sapling, but if you really want, you can go ahead and change this to the better one, which is the blue slime dirt in the bonsai pot, like so, and it will now grow faster. Okay, so if you need your purple slime sapling, what you need to do is get a blue slime sapling, smelt some redstone in your melter, get a bucket of it, like so, get a cauldron, put the redstone in the cauldron, get your slime sapling, and right click, and that is how you get a purple slime sapling. If you need any help, then please join the Discord link down below, and this has been a Sky Factory 4 tutorial.